How to qualify for state solar tax rebates to reduce solar system installation cost. Many states offer solar tax rebates, but many states do not. It all depends on how energy friendly the state actually is. If you go to the following link and click on the state in which you reside, you can see whether or not your state offers the rebate program, and also how you may qualify for it. Visit www.dsireusa.org.